factory here in Slovakia has a history of innovation and producing high-quality products. With the advanced machinery required to produce the wall, it made absolute sense to start production here. In recent years, we've seen many challenges on global supply chain and logistics. Having production in Europe helps us to combat challenges we face with less disruption to our customers. But most importantly, we are able to significantly reduce lead times, serve, be more flexible and reactive to the market demands.
So the history of our factory starts in 2002 when we started with the CRT monitors, and through the years we come to the wall technology which we are producing now. We started in 2022, and in 3 months we prepare all facilities.
The wall is Samsung's innovative LED technology. Samsung's rich heritage in R&D culminates in the wall's exceptional pitch quality.
Our staff actually undertook the extensive training and several subsidiaries, and also another training was done directly here on site. One of the biggest advantages here in Slovakia we have is the technically skilled people and the high quality assurance of our products. Production factory we have to comply with many production standards like ISO 9001 and ISO 50001. We are also the holders of the Platinum Award for Zero Waste, so we are recycling 100% of our waste.
Traditional LED displays are able to use standard SMD pick-and-place manufacturing technology. As the wall uses micro-LEDs that are thinner than the human hair, Samsung has had to develop new technology to transfer the diodes to the board. Further to this, we have developed a process to encase the diodes in what we call black seal. It provides protection and also enhancement to the color, and this gives the great image quality that you see on the wall. Having a European manufacturing facility allows us to shorten our lead times and also reduce our shipping distances. Plus, it also allows us to disperse our manufacturing into smaller, localized areas rather than shipping from one central point. The wall is used across multiple industries and verticals, from automotive to corporate, command and control, education, retail, and virtual production, which is a growing market. We can configure the wall into any environment due to its flexible design for different shapes and sizes. We offer a full design and mechanical build service to take a project through from idea to completion. Our clients are secure in the knowledge that they have a screen that will deliver incredible visuals in any environment. It can bring their business to life through accurate colours, plus it's easy to install and maintain. It's all about the pitch quality with the wall, and that's why we've made it. Customers can see the wall in action in our showroom in Frankfurt. Plus, there are also other opportunities to see the wall at installations across Europe.
Here in Slovakia, we are really proud to produce high imagery technology for our European partners. And what we can offer is the short lead times, the quality assurance, and after-sales service.